Changing your bank account on Mosaic Solar is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your Mosaic account. Visit the Mosaic Solar website and log into your account using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information and payment details. Step 3. Select Payment Information. In Account Settings, find the option for Payment Information or Bank Account Details. Click on this to access your current bank account information. Step 4. Update your bank account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After updating your bank account information, look for a Save or Update button to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification once your account has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your bank account on Mosaic Solar. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the customer support for assistance.